do I add a mod on here? Send me a comment, Panda, that way I can add you. Thank you, Josito. Thank you.
I'm on my other account. You can't fish it? I didn't switch it. I just went on.
Woohoo! Thank you, one. Who wants to be a mod for me? I need a mod. Apparently, there's people leaving really bad comments. Who wants to be a mod? I know. Where is it? I need a mod. Who wants to be my mod right now? Anybody that can do it. Okay. Okay. Great, Nick. I'm gonna make you one right now. Is that you?
Yeah.
You want me to put it? Okay. I added you.
No, you said I could put on your favorite song.
Go with your favorite song, baby. Go. Hurry, baby. Oh my God. Thank you, Timothy. They call it Stephanie. They're gonna have a name.
Hello.
Stephanie? From here?
Yes, you can see it.
Let me know when I need to turn the camera a little bit.
Homepage.
What song, baby, is it? What happened, baby? What's going on?
I don't know what's my favorite song.
Well, you said you know, baby.
This is my original favorite song.
Don't tell me it's Neon Guts. Is it Neon Guts?
No.
Which one?
It's so big.
Okay, baby.
Since you've been like this, baby girl, you've been like this. Ever since you've been like this,
Baby, go over there. Bye.
baby girl, you've been like